Welcome to our YouTube channel, Watch to Learn and Fun. Today we are going to see 10 questions on our respected leader Subhash Chandra Bose. In which place Subhash Chandra Bose was born? Option A, Cuttack. Option B, Odisha. Option C, Mumbai. Option D, Calcutta. The answer is Cuttack. What was the name of the book written by Netaji on India's independence movement? Option A, Freedom Movement. Option B, Ideas of the Nation. Option C, Freedom at Midnight. Option D, The Indian Struggle. The answer is The Indian Struggle. In which year first part of the book Indian Struggle published in London? Option A, 1937. Option B, 1935. Option C, 1940. Option D, 1942. The answer is 1935. During which period Netaji served as president of INA? 20th August 1937 to 18 April 1942, 20 August 1930 to 15 April 1931, 4 July 1943 to 18 August 1945, 18 Jan 1938 to 29 April 1939. The answer is 18 Jan 1938 to 29 April 1939. What was name of the newspaper started by Netaji? The Free Press Journal. Option B, the Indian Express. Option C, Swaraj. Option D, Navabharat. The answer is Swaraj. When and where was Indian National Army formed? Option A, 1937 in Singapore. Option B, 1937 in Japan. Option C, 1942 in Singapore. Option D, 1942 in Japan. The answer is 1942 in Singapore. Subhash Chandra Bose died at the age of Option A, 42. Option B, 48. Option C, 47. Option D, 52. The answer is 48. When did Subhash Chandra Bose die? Option A, 16 January 1943. Option B, 16 January 1945. Option C, 18 August 1943. Option D, 18 August 1945. The answer is 18 August 1945. What was the name of first Indian armed force formed by Netaji? Option A, Azad Hind Fauj. Option B, Swaraj. Option C, Freedom Fighter. Option D, Brigade. The answer is Azad Hind Fauj. Where was the Azad Hind radio station established by Netaji? Option A, Japan. Option B, Germany. Option C, England. Option D, India. The answer is Germany. Thanks for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications on any new videos. Thank you viewers. Bye.